Your plants can grow right away by using just one spoon under any plant. Sometimes the biggest changes don't come from expensive products, but from simple ingredients that help restore balance in the soil. Take 1 liter of clean water. Add 1 spoon of baking soda and stir slowly. As it dissolves, baking soda helps reduce fungal activity and limits the spread of black spot by creating an unfavorable surface for harmful spores. Now add 1 spoon of sugar and stir again. Sugar feeds beneficial soil microbes, supporting stronger roots and better nutrient absorption. When these microbes are active, plants respond faster with healthier growth. For fungus control and soil care, pour this solution directly under the plant, close to the root zone. This helps protect roots and keeps fungal problems from developing below the surface. For pest control and black spot, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray the leaves, especially underneath. Apply early morning or late evening to avoid leaf stress. Use this method once every 10 to 14 days. Leaves stay cleaner, stress reduces, and growth becomes more noticeable. Sometimes 1 simple spoon is all a plant needs to move forward.